Hey guys, Jack on Wrist back with another video, and in today's video I want to do a little short and sweet video on how to resize the bracelet on a lot of the stainless steel Casio models, such as this, the Casio A178, and also the Casio A168, and many other models with the stainless steel bracelet. So let's get right into it. So pretty short and sweet video. Like I said, this is a Casio A178W. This would go along for any model with a similar bracelet, but basically for these bracelets you have to hook on this little part right here, and you would just click it down. And basically just to resize it, you want to focus on this part right here. There's actually a little arrow, if you can tell, and you want to take something like either a little mini screwdriver, this is a little flathead, maybe something like a spring bar tool, whatever you want. I'll use the little screwdriver just to sort of prove that you can use most things. And you want to basically get it in there and push up. And so basically the arrow is going to be pointing down towards the bracelet, and you just want to sort of move it wherever you want and then click it back into place. There's certain grooves that it works better for, where it's a little more difficult to put it down, but you find a spot and you just push it down. So pretty simple, and you just go back and put it into place. So pretty easy video, but like I said, you just want to focus on that little arrow. You want to wedge something in there, and you want to push it up and move it around to the spot you need. You might want to play around with it a little bit, make sure you get the right fit, but yeah, pretty simple and pretty easy. So that's pretty much it for this video. Really simple, really easy to do. As long as you play around with it a little bit, you should be able to get a really nice fit. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and please check out my Instagram @JackOnWrist for photos of all my watches, including that Casio. And that's pretty much it, so thank you.